Have you ever wondered how to copy and paste on your Android phone? When you want to share information from messages, websites, or another app on your phone, there is an easy and quick way to do it. Instead of retyping everything, which can be time-consuming and error-prone, use the copy and paste functions. First, select the text you want to copy and paste. Tap and hold on the text until it is highlighted. You will see that handles will appear left and right to the blue highlighted text. Move the handles left or right until all the text you want to copy is highlighted. A menu will appear with different options for actions. Tap Copy. Go to the app where you want to paste the copy. For example, WhatsApp. Tap where you'd like to paste the text. Tap and hold for the action menu, then tap Paste. And there you have it. The text is now available to send. By knowing how to copy and paste, you can save time and effort in your daily tasks, and now you also know how to do it. Subscribe to our channel and receive more tips on how to get comfortable with your phone.